What's going on, guys? It's John and Mark here, your REI advocates. John, why are we calling ourselves the advocate?
Well, really, Mark, it's about doing a couple things differently than what you typically see in the insurance field. We're going to be able to not only write you a good policy, but we also have the claims experience to know how to maximize, if you ever do have a claim, the payout that you get. We know what would constitute as excessive coverage and what's constituted as needed coverage. On top of that, we help connect you with other buyers, other sellers, other lenders in the area, as well as a list of contractors that are fully insured with no claims history that can help work on your properties so you have the peace of mind that they're taken care of.
I couldn't think of a better example of an advocate than that. Guys, so this month we're going to be talking about vacant properties. Another thing that I please give us a shout. Please definitely let us know if we've got some upcoming vacancies. We're hoping this moratorium goes through soon and we can get you guys back on the level of return on investment. But John, tell us a little bit about this.
So a vacant property is going to operate differently than an occupied property. From an insurance standpoint, we know that a vacant property leads itself to more vandalism and malicious mischief, as well as things like a burst water pipe that if we had someone living in there, we could take mitigation measures. And sometimes those claims on vacant properties, actually not sometimes, but oftentimes become very expensive. Because of that, every insurance company has specific regulations. Some will allow a property to only be vacant 30 days, while other properties and carriers do not care how long your property's been vacant, but your deductible will change, or the types of losses that will be covered are different. So don't think that just because you have a policy in place that everything's good. If you do have somebody moving out, or if there is going to be a time where you need to get some things done, like some flooring and some paint, please make sure you contact us. We'll go over your policies with you to make sure that if history does repeat itself and you do have that claim in the vacant property, there's no surprises when it comes time to send the adjuster out.
Phenomenal tip, buddy. So in addition to that, guys, you know that, again, being your advocate, John talked about having a list of construction workers. We also have negotiated several deals on flooring and things like that. Definitely reach out to my guy here, and he'll point you in the right direction. But speaking of these vendors, John, who is our spotlight this month?
So we're highlighting Ground Zero Tree Service. They're going to be able to help you with any of those trees that come down in heavy storms, any overgrowth that you want to be proactive on. We actually have seen, believe it or not, the last month, a lot of trees that have fallen on our clients' cars that were dead trees that were the responsibility of the landlord to remove, and they end up paying out under their policy, under the liability becomes a lot more expensive. So they're fully insured and bonded. They do great work. If you have some of those kind of needs, reach out to them. They'd be able to get you taken care of.
Yeah, I definitely know that I'm seeing that because right now the boar ash, I believe that's what it's called, is extremely bad here in Springfield. So I've got a lot of unfortunately old beautiful trees. There used to be beautiful trees that aren't coming down. But guys, we're here for you. We are your advocates. Definitely let us know if there's anything we can help with as far as vacant homes. Call us, text us, email us. Let us know. Thanks,
Awesome.
guys.
Thanks, guys.
Bailey Family Insurance.